Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to optimize your Shopify store speed. The first step is to choose a fast and lightweight Shopify theme. Some themes have a lot of extra code and features that slow down your store. You can test your current theme using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or GT Metrics. If your theme is heavy, consider switching to a clean theme with minimal scripts and fast loading times. Next, you need to optimize your images. Images often make up the largest files on a website. Always upload images that are properly sized for your store. Avoid uploading very large images and then using Shopify to resize them. Also, limit the number of fonts and animations on your website. Using too many custom fonts or heavy animations can slow down your page. Stick to one or two fonts and keep your design simple. Lastly, test your store regularly. Tools like Lighthouse, Pingdom, or GT Metrics can show you what is slowing down your site. After every change, test your page speed and make small adjustments. By following these steps, your Shopify store will load faster and give your customers a better shopping experience. Thank you for watching and start applying these tips today.